Claudia here. Welcome back to my second week of building in public. This week sucked. I actually thought I'm gonna revolutionize spam protection. But let me go back a bit. While I was in my Python training, I found a code snippet for the Gmail API that would allow me to reject certain emails. This was an amazing discovery because it would simplify how we deal with spam. So my logic was to extract all the sender's information from the inbox and use that to reject future emails from spam senders. It was brilliant. This would protect the inbox against spam and also create the impression that my email doesn't exist because Google would automatically send an error message. Flawless, right? Well, last Monday I started going down this route and creating my functions and boom, error. I went to Bard and ChatGPT to find a solution. I went back and forth between the two for about 3 hours. I changed the code many times and every single time the same error. It was really frustrating. I can't believe that I just started this project and I already hit a roadblock. Next day, I wanted to try something else and I went old school. I took the error message, pasted it into Google search, and lo and behold, first result from Stack Overflow. Started reading and I saw that the person was trying to do the exact same thing as I wanted to do, and I found an article for the Google documentation. I started reading it, and at some point I found why I was getting those errors. It was because this reject function was deprecated for quite a few years now. Since I didn't have a clear direction anymore, I went back at the beginning. Let me get the sender's information, and maybe that will give me an idea of how to move on from this. So I used the Gmail API and went through all my 6,000 messages and extracted the sender's information from them and posted on my dashboard. At the first glance, spam messages had the exact same title and the domain every single time. But when I had a closer look to this, I found that every single time those titles and domains were just slightly different. A letter or a number added or removed. So creating a filter trying to catch a certain title or a domain would be useless in this case, because the next time a spammer sends me an email, they will land in my inbox, because the filter would look for the old title or the domain. But do you know what is a constant? A legit domain. So what if instead of trying to catch spammers and try to keep up with all these changes, which is a lost battle, by the way, what if instead of doing that, I would only allow certain senders to email me and automatically delete all the others? Let's test it out.